It's Voodoo Underground Season 3, and once again, we've taken over the kitchens here at the Hillsborough Culinary Academies of Irwin Technical College. We have 8 teams making 20 burgers in 10 minutes. They're gonna send them to the judges, and we're gonna find out who's worthy of taking home the title of 2025 Voodoo Underground winner.
When I think of summer, I think of super refreshing. So we have a chimichurri mayo, we have a cherry tomatoes, a cabbage slaw, and we have bacon jam.
So tell me, what's the best part about being in culinary class?
Ooh, the best part? I think the creativity. I think the creativity is the best part, because you can do anything. The world's your oyster.
You stopped, what happened?
I was just mixing it around, Chef.
Now I see seasoning on top of that burger. What do we got?
So we have a mix, 2/3 is the dirt seasoning, and then we added the dust seasoning.
So they mix dirt and dust into their own shaker so that they could get the proper ratio that they like.
Yes, sir.
So many times we'll see somebody take dirt and then take dust, and we don't get a consistent ratio.
Right.
I love that they mix them ahead of time so that every burger is going to taste the same. That is very, very important in what we do in the culinary world. Everybody has to get the same burger so that they like it, and then they come back, right, Chef?
Yes, Chef.
This is super exciting, man.
Thank you.
And you call this the summer burger, right?
Yep.
Do you know why they call it that?
Why?
Because some are for you, and the rest are for me. And I can't wait to taste them. These look amazing.
Thank you.
And the voodoo, all over it, all over it.
I think our cook went decent. We could have done better with consistency of staying clean and plating.
There was a lot of smoke going on, and also we got really consumed by timing. We almost, I felt pressured by it, but I think all in all we did pretty fine.
Other than our timing, if we nail that, I think we can do really well in the next round. I'm most proud of.
The sauce had a nice flavor.
I did enjoy the sauce as well.
Very creative with the presentation
Yes,
and the whole
yes,
build on
yes,
it. Yeah.
yes.
Oh, to use a waffle instead,
Uh-huh.
that's thinking outside the box, and that's what we're asking for, is that
Absolutely.
creativity.
I think across the board, consistency, being able to plate everything, get it out at the exact same time, and be able to fulfill that full 20 minutes. I was actually kind of nervous that they would get done early and there would be a dead spot, and the fact that they were able to make it all work. And they started lighting up, started talking to each other, started chirping at the other team, and the other team probably didn't like that. I liked it though, but you know, it was all fun and games at the end of the day. And you know, like when I talked about these kids to begin with, I said, it's a burger. You're cooking a burger. Go have fun. Go do what you do every day.
I overcooked the burgers a little bit. I was just like looking at every detail that I did.
I thought like maybe our buns were gonna be a little too soggy, and then we went to go try Durant's burger, and like it was so colorful, so vibrant, such a beautiful burger. The bread was amazing, and I was like, oh, we really have some competition.
Obviously the scholarship at the end would be great, but I think the experience would help me more than anything.
The results are in. The judges scored this one so close, less than 10-point differential.